Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log out from your account on the Cashapp application if you haven't logged out from your device. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Cashapp application on your device and you might be asked to log in using your PIN code or your biometrics. Just provide either one of those and you will be logged into your account. Now after logging in, if you wish to log out from your account, tap on the account icon at the top right corner and then you will be taken into your account page. From this page, scroll all the way down and you will find the red Sign Out button. Go ahead and tap on it and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to sign out from your account. Tap on the OK button and now you will be signed out from your account on the Cashapp application. After this, if you wish to use the account once again, you will need to use your credentials in order to gain back access into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to log out from your account on the Cashapp application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.